Well, hello everyone! Welcome to my closet talk. So before we go in, I just want to say that this has actually been a dream come true. Like, I've always wanted my own closet, like my own personalized closet where I decide on what I want in my closet. If you guys watch my videos, you remember I used to tell you all that I was fixing down here, and finally the whole basement is ready. Our basement is finished basement, so we just decided to put a huge humidifier down here, which makes the air really dry, and you know, it makes everywhere smell so good. Down here is brand new, everything. We redid the whole downstairs, and I'm so thankful that now I have my closet and also my studio. So right here I have two in one. I have this side my closet and then this side my studio. I think I'm going to film my filming studio separately. For today's video we're going to do a closet tour, so let's just go right ahead. Alright, so here we are, you guys. This is my brand new closet, and I'm so thankful because, you guys, like before in my former studio it was just so tight that I didn't even know what I have and what I don't have, but right here I have everything on display, so it makes it so much easier to access whatever it is I want to wear. And starting from here, because I'm sure my camera, I don't know, like I don't have a zoom out lens, but this is where it all starts. So this is actually the very first section you see once you walk into my studio, and this right here I decided to put my tops, like my t-shirts, my tops, my blouses, everything is all on this side right here. And if you want to organize your closet, you guys, I would really advise you invest in one shape of hanger. Like, I used to make this mistake where when I go to buy maybe outfits and they put it in a hanger, I just come home and hang it, you know, on my closet without actually like knowing that everything needs to be organized. For your closet to look neat and put together, you have to make sure you organize the colors. As you all can see, I have like my blacks, my whites, my nude, my reds, my gray, my pinks, my oranges and gold, and then whatever color that don't really match, I just put them towards the end. Then I have these shelves right here. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with these. I just decided to put like my coats and also my towels right here, and then I have some of my dry cleaned dresses behind them. I decided to put this laundry bag right here because it makes it so much easier to just, you know, do laundry. If I have any dirty clothes, I normally like to do laundry on Saturdays, so I just go ahead and pull it out straight to the laundry room. So the very first one, I have like my bras on this side, and then this has my undies and then I have like my, I love wearing these at home, you guys, like bras. If you have larger boobs, you guys, I really would advise you get some sports bras because it makes it so much easier. Once I go out and come back, this is what I love to wear at home. So I have a section dedicated to my sports bras, and then over here I have like my sock. Like, you guys, I normally wear sock at home. As you all can see, look, I even have a sock on right here. I'm just used to wearing socks in the house. This right here is like my normal handbags. I just have a section for my normal handbag. This is from BB, this is from Zara, I think this is Forever 21. So like my casual handbags, this is where I have them so that it will be easier for me to just access them. And I also have some handbags right behind this. And then when you look down here, I have this section dedicated to my short dresses, and I like the fact that, you know, they are not dragging on the floor. The very next section is this, my two-piece outfits. I actually like to put my two-piece, you know, separately from my dresses or my blouses. It just makes it so much easier, so that if I wake up and I decide to wear two-piece today, I already know the section where my two-piece are. You guys know we're already in sweater season, so I decided to put all my knits and you know, all my sweaters on this section right here, and it just makes it so much easier. Oh, I actually have more sweaters right here. This aisle right here, I have all my leggings. Like, I love, these are all the things I wear to the gym, you guys. So I have a section just for my leggings. I have all like my fashion leggings, everything. Like when I want to wear leggings, I already know this is my, you know, this is the section for leggings. And then when you go ahead and move all the way down, I have like my skirts and my jean shorts, you guys. I have all my jean shorts right here. I have my short skirts, long skirts, every skirt. Over here I have parts of my sneakers. I actually have my sneaker wall right behind the camera. I'm still going to show you guys, but I have the remaining of my sneakers displayed right here. And then if you look down here, as you all can see, I have all my trousers. Like, I have all my jeans, my office trouser, every single trouser I have is all here. And I saw this hanger on Amazon. This is kind of a jean hanger, and it makes it so much easier, you guys. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get like 5 hangers in one. I believe they sell it for like 4 packs for maybe $15 or so. So I decided to get 2 packs, and they contained all my jean, my trousers, like anything trouser, you guys. This is the aisle for it. On this aisle right here, I have all my blazers on this side, and then I have like my jackets. I have my bomber jackets, I have my regular jackets, everything. Blazers and jackets are on this side. And then when you look up, I have all my fur outfits right here. Once I know I want to wear my fur, I just come on this section here and pick out whatever coat or, you know, jacket I want to use for the day. So for this side, starting from up here, I have like all my sandals, my slippers. You know, I decided to make up here black, and also, as you all can see, I have black right here. And then when you look down, I have all my nudes, like my nude sandals, slippers. And also on this side, I have like my nudes. And then behind it, I decided to put some of my colorful shoes. I'm not sure if you guys can, yeah, you guys can see it. I decided to just put my colorful shoes behind. All this section right here are all my golds and browns. And then when you look down right here, I have all my boots. I actually have some boots behind. So right here are all my long dresses. It makes it so much easier. And you see what I mean, you guys. Like, when you look down here, you notice that this particular section, they made it all the way down so that it will be long enough to contain my long dresses. And oh my gosh, I actually forgot to tell you guys, my wardrobe, everything is from IKEA. I actually went into IKEA, and I think in their wardrobe section, I walked in and I told them, you know, what I had in mind. So the guy, he was so helpful. I even forgot his name, Tad. The guy's name is Tad. He was so helpful. He sat me down on the computer. He decided to, you know, help me. He helped me organize this wardrobe right here. I actually have the plan. This is actually my wardrobe right here. He helped me draw out the plan, and as you all can see, everything, this is exactly how this closet looks. So it made it so much easier. It helped me plan everything, and then I just went ahead and bought the things. And also, after buying it, because I knew this was definitely going to take a lot of time, you know, to do, so we decided to pay TaxRabbit. TaxRabbit is also a branch of IKEA. TaxRabbit is for assembling, so we decided to pay TaxRabbit. I would say everything with assembly, the products and everything, it costs like around 5,000. On this aisle right here, I have all my sneakers all the way from here down, and also some of the ones I showed you guys are on this side. Like for the fall, I absolutely love sneakers, so this is the section for my sneakers. For this particular one, I decided to use up here for all my face caps. Like, I absolutely love face hats, you guys. Like, especially when I don't have on makeup, this makes it so much easier for me to just wear my raw face out whenever I have on my face cap. And sometimes I wear my glasses, you know, so people won't really see my face. You guys know I don't have a perfect skin, and I don't like wearing makeup every single day. So my face caps, they really help me a lot. And on this side, I decided to place like my stiletto shoes. Then when you look down here, I still have some sandals going on, and then right on this section I have all my short boots. For some reason I feel like I can actually still put one of these shelves right here, because as you all can see, like the short boots, it's not that long, so I still have some space up here. So of course this actually means I can still have maybe about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I can still have maybe 11 shoes on this side, so I still have room to grow, you guys. I have my black boots on this side, and then I have all my colorful long boots here all the way to the back. I forgot what they call these hats, you guys. I don't know why I keep forgetting today, but on this section right here I decided to place all my fashion hats on this side. I would say this is like my luxury side, right? I just decided to keep like my small handbags up here, and then the bigger ones down here. I think these are the only glass shelves. These 3 are the only glass shelves I have in my closet. And then below the handbags I have this section right here, and this has some of my jewelries, you guys. I have like my necklaces, my bracelets, some of my earrings are here. I have all my watches on this section right here. I have all my sunglasses. This is actually very helpful, because upstairs my sunglasses was just all over the place, but this just makes it so much easier to organize. Okay, so on this drawer right here, I wasn't sure what to put in here, so I just decided to put my jewelries for now. These are like my practical jewelries I use all the time, so I just made it, you know, I just put them in here so that it will be very easier for me to access. So the next drawer I have is kind of my basics, you know. I just decided to put all my basic t-shirts on this section, and also this section I have all my basic t-shirts. I just decided to fold them and put them in instead of hanging them up and just occupying space unnecessarily. And then this side is like my winter hats, my scarves, my gloves. Everything is all on this section right here. Okay, so this is my last section right here, and for this space I wasn't sure what to do with this space. I decided to put this Slay the Day frame right here, and also, you guys, this perfume is so cute, so I just decided to add it as kind of a decorative piece. Alright, so on this section right here I have more of my jewelries, and they are more like, you know, my fashion earrings. And then on this drawer right here I have some of my jewelries, and then on this section I have my perfumes. And with this cabinet I wasn't sure what to do with it, so I just added some of my skirts in here. With this drawer, you guys, this was supposed to go on my makeup section, but at the end of the day we didn't find space over on this side, you know, so we decided to move it here, which it's been really helpful, because I have, as you all can see, some clothes in here. I'm not really sure what to do with this, so I just kept my sunglass cases in here. This one is still very empty. I just have this divider inside here, but this is still empty, so there is still room to grow, which I absolutely love. And then under here I wasn't sure what to do with this. I just kept all my, you know, my boxes, my shoe box, my handbag boxes. Everything is all in here. So if you're standing from there, this is how my closet looks, you guys. It's kind of square, as you all can see, and I wasn't sure what to do with up here, so I decided to add this gorgeous chandelier, and I absolutely love it. And also with this centerpiece right here, I wanted to put in maybe a rug or something, but then at the end of the day I decided to add this. Is this called Otman or Art something? I've forgotten what it's called. I have these 2 books right here, my Tom Ford and Chanel, and then this smells amazing, you guys. I bought this from Amazon, and oh my gosh, ever since I opened it, my studio smelled so good. Also on my closet I decided to add lights, so it will be, you know, easier to see what is behind, because like I told you guys, I like to stuff all the way behind, so the light just makes it so much easier to access, you know, what is up here. Yeah, you guys, I think this is all there is to my closet tour. I hope you all got maybe 1 or 2 inspiration from my little closet. But yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit the like button below if you did enjoy, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.